तुमचे वतीन तुम्ही कितें ट्राय करपाचें हे सोल्युशन कितें येवचें म्हणून हाका?
First of all, I'm deeply concerned about his deteriorating health condition. And when I've checked with him and his team, I got to know nobody from medical college, nor from South Goa District Hospital, nor from local PHS. Nobody visited him. Normally, when somebody is on hunger strike, normally a medical watch is kept to check the health parameters of one who is gone on the hunger strike. And it is actually his indefinite hunger strike, not for his personal purpose, but for the state of Goa. Because in state of Goa, everyone is concerned about the way Goa is being destroyed in wholesale, the huge projects, and this project has lot of illegalities also. And it is their concern, and it is right as a citizen. Now, I'm surprised at one side, the health department is so insensitive to this. Secondly, the government, headed by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, is also insensitive and behaving irresponsibly. And the third is the TCP minister, who also holds the health ministry. Now, I was out of station because of Jharkhand elections. I was monitoring this, what is happening, and today I thought I must visit him, who is suffering due to Goa. So then I spoke to South Goa District Hospital Superintendent, Dr. Borkar. He revealed me that nobody has informed him about this, and he is not aware about. So he told me that some either police department or collector or somebody has to inform him about his health conditions, and then he will send a team. Then if they are not doing police, I said as a citizen, I am writing a letter, I am informing you. He said you have to send a mail. So accordingly, I have sent a mail to him now, drawing his attention to his deteriorating health condition, and I marked a copy of that letter to South Goa Collector, South Goa SP, Chief Minister of Goa, and the Governor, so that at least if they are not aware, when the entire people of Goa and India are aware about his indefinite hunger strike, which has come to the 9th day, still if our authorities are not aware of this, if they are blind, and if they don't read the newspapers, I'm really surprised about this. So now officially I have informed all the entire authorities. I have also written email now to the Chief Minister, drawing his attention to his deteriorating health condition and asking him to take immediate step on his demand of cancellation of this Bhutanese license. Because there are illegalities. The government has to act fast. They should not wait till the first life is lost. And if anything happens to him, the Chief Minister and entire government machinery will be held responsible, and people of Goa will not leave them. So I'm trying to contact Chief Minister. I've contacted his PA who is traveling with him, because I'm told he's somewhere in the part of Maharashtra filing the nomination. But I'll still see that his PA told me that he'll contact me back. I've already communicated to the BJP party president, who said he is also concerned about his health. But we have demanded that his demand should be fulfilled of cancelling this license in the larger interest of Goa. Email has been already sent to the Chief Minister. Only I need to talk to him personally and draw his attention to it. So this is what we could do now, along with some activists and our members who have come and joined today in support of Mr. Naik. So I expect more and more leaders and people also are joining and putting a lot of pressure on the government, because this government is completely insensitive.
But Mr. Chodankar, you told about the THC not being aware. I think the THC is already monitoring his health, because yesterday also they came and they checked his parameters. At that time we were there. So I think they are monitoring his health.
But there is no medical attention given to him that is required.
Okay.
Now, what are his health parameters? Nobody knows. What is his blood sugar level? What is his blood pressure? Nobody knows. and he's not ready. He lost the weight also. We don't know what is his weight today and what was his weight when he started this strike. So now what he is doing is in the interest of Goa, and we can't expect this insensitive government. Now only option that will be left for the people of Goa is to march the Chief Minister residence, so that we can awaken the sleeping giant, the Chief Minister.
Mr. Chodankar, you had represented the Congress as the bloc president and as a Congress leader. So what your party is going to do about this whole situation? Because your MP also has been coming over here, the MLAs also have been coming over here. So now, since the condition, you are saying the condition of Mr. Premanand Naik is deteriorating, so what your party is going to do about this whole situation?
My party actually is in touch with them. I think our party president almost visited, I think, 2-3 times. Our CLP also, I'm told that is visited 2 times. Our MP also visited, our MLAs also are visiting. But actually we should be thankful to him. Actually he's doing our job. What we should have been doing, he's doing. Although we are raising, our party is raising this issue. But taking this drastic step in the interest of Goa, I think all the political parties, all the opposition political parties should join the hands together and should put a pressure on the government. I will also speak to other political party leaders also, so that they can have a combined alliance, not only for an election, but combined alliance to save Goa and to save the life of Mr. Premanand Naik. Okay, brother.